স্যার উইচ কাউন্সিলকে চিঠি দেওয়ার প্রেক্ষাপট কী ছিল আপনার কাছে?
Thank you, my dear friend. Today especially I would like to give short briefing press release regarding the recent letter sent to the Home Minister as well as Prime Minister and also Honorable President BJP JP Nadda ji. I have sent 3 letters to them. It is just to reminder the letter which was sent earlier. As you know, BJP IPFT has come to alliance with some sort of agreement. As you know, 2018, we have a series of discussions between BJP and IPFT before assembly election. We have series of meeting in Guwahati as well as in Delhi. There we have lot of discussion and also we have spoken, given few points. One most important point is the formation of high-level committee under Home Ministry, which was formed. This was constituted before election. In that committee, it was clearly mentioned that the committee was constituted to look after socio-economic and political problem in Tripura state. As a result, the committee was constituted and committee also came to Tripura. They have visited two times and we have series of discussion with them. And all the political parties, NGO, have submitted memorandum to the high-level committee. But this committee is still existing, but somehow it was delayed. So we asked several times to the Home Ministry to give us report, that high-level committee report, which we have submitted memorandum with various political party. So this report is yet to be published. This as we mentioned in the letter. And secondly, very important issues, our state government, the Council of Ministers, have passed the resolution that the Constitution 25th Amendment of the Constitution should be implemented in Tripura. This 25th Amendment Bill, 125th Amendment Bill, is placed in the Parliament, and it was constituted committee also, standing committee, and that committee has submitted the report of the 125th Amendment Bill 2019. This is submitted in the Parliament. So far I know the report, and is to be tabled in both the House, Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This bill should be tabled, but still now, so far I know that this bill is not a table in the Parliament. So this also we have request to the Home Minister, since it is the Home Department taking initiative regarding this 125 Amendment Bill. So I request to the Home Minister Amit ji to look into it and to pass the bill. As you know, Tripura Tribal Autonomous Council, TTADC, has less power if we compare with other state, other northeast state, like Karbi Anglong, Dima Hajau, Bodoland, Gurkhaland, Khasi Hill District Council. If we compare with this district council, our district council is less power. Everybody know. If you compare with the Bodoland Territorial Council, Bodoland has got a lot of power, which was given more autonomy, more power. Even they can open, they can run and manage colleges and university in district council area, even in Karbi Anglong. So whereas in Tripura, we have a very less power. We can run only up to class 8. This is the main reason why we are always talking about that the people of Tripura has deprived, do not give the power in ADC. Even in Bodoland District Council, now become Bodoland Territorial Region, have a land power, and also they have got the rural development power, RD, rural development. So all these things should be considered even to our district council. So again and again we emphasize that district council should be given more power. And now our party IPFT, since 2009, we have a constant movement, constant demand that district council should be converted, elevated to statehood power, that which we call Tripuran. That's why again and again I emphasize that our district council is less minimum power. So our district council should be given more power and also full-fledged state, that is statehood. These are the core demand of our IPFT party. So this letter today I have sent even to the Prime Minister, Home Minister and our BJP President J.P. Nadda ji. It is just a reminder, because this kind of nature of power letter I have sent several times. So again I have remind them, since especially the 125 amendment bill, which is supposed to be tabled in the Parliament, because since last year it was already report was submitted by the committee. Therefore, I again and again request the Home Minister to consider our demand, to consider this amendment bill, so that I think in the near future our district council will get more power. Because we know there are conflict between state and the district council, always is there. It's not the first time. Our district council has already run maybe 38 years. So always we talk about that there is a conflict between state and district council. Therefore, once and for all, we want to solve this problem. Therefore, our IPFT has, since 2009, we always demand, our standpoint is to elevate, to create statehood based on district council of Tripura. Thank you.
सर को बोल